Assalamualaikum. Welcome for this video tutorial class 2 mathematics, and today we are going to start the topic money. Again, this is a revision lesson, so we'll take it quickly. The first two questions we are not going to take because it is just an overlook of the money notes that are not clear. Now keep in mind the money that we have to study is dollar. This is the symbol for dollar. Subunits of the dollar are called cents, and cent is written in the unit form in this way. In $1 there are 100 cents. If I write it in the symbolic form, so if I have to write $1, the dollar symbol we will write first and then the number. $1 will be equal to 100 cent. Cent symbol is written after the number. So $1 is equal to 100 cents. It means if you have to write $2, $2 will be equal to 200 cent. $3 will be equal to 300 cents. So in the same way, if we have to convert cent into dollar, we can divide we can do so by dividing with 100. For example, right now on your screen you can see the question is saying write in dollars. Here we have 25 cents. Now the rule says that when you have to convert cent into dollar, you need to divide by 100, but at this level it is very difficult for you to divide with the 100. So I will give you a shortcut method. Using that method you can convert easily cent into the dollar. So what you need to do is you will count the digits. When you have to convert from cent to dollar, start counting from right to left and count 2 digits. After 2 digits, just write the decimal point. So your cent will get converted into dollar. Like here I will start counting. This is first digit, this is second digit. So after these 2 digits, means from the right I will start counting 1 2. So here I will write the decimal point, so 0.25, or even if you write here 0, it will not affect it, so $0.25. In the same way, here we have 99 cents, so I will count 1 2. So after the 2 digits, counting from the right side, I will write the decimal, so it's $0.99. So this is 1 2, so it is going to be 1.40, because I have to start counting from the right. After 2 digits I will write the decimal point, so it will be equal to $1.40. In the same way, this can be $3.75. In this one it is going to be $5.82. This one is going to be $6.95. And next is if we have to convert dollar into cent. So very simple. The rule says that when you have to convert dollar into cent, so you need to multiply with 100. But again, multiplication with 100 at this level will be difficult for you. So easily what you can do is just remove the decimal point. Your dollar will get converted into cent, like $1.50 will be equal to 150 cents. $2.00 will be equal to 200 cents. $3.40, I will just remove the decimal point, so it will become 340 cents. $6.85 will be equal to 685 cents. $7.00 will be equal to 700 cents. $9.15 will be equal to 915 cents. Next, here we have fill in the blanks, $1.35. Now when we write this one is written in the word, and when we have to write in the figures, remember after the dollar we put the decimal point, and for the cent, like this is $1, so I will write $1, then 0.35. So I'll write 0.35, so it will be $1.35. $17 mean I will write 17, it's full dollar, and 80 cents. Cents we will write after decimal, so 0.80. These are 80 cents, because if we write $0.80, it means it is equal to 80 cents. So that's why we will write it in this way. Now $93, I will write $93 and 40 cents. So it means for the cent I will write 0.40 cents. Next is fill in the blanks. The fan cost $87.90. So we'll write 87.90. This one is the book cost $12.60. So it means we will write 12.60. The clock costs $9.50. I mean we will write 9.50 cents. So $9.50 that is going to be. Okay, after that it comes rounding to the nearest dollar. When we round to the nearest dollar, keep in mind if we will have after the decimal, if we will have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 or 0.4, we will round down. But if we will have 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 or 0.8 or 0.9, then we will round up. For example, here we need to round off $0.50 to the nearest dollar. Sorry, this is 0.99. So if I have to round this one to the nearest dollar, no, I have to look, it is 0.9. I mean it is 0.9. If it is 0.9, we will round up. I mean we will go to the bigger number. So the bigger number is $1. So I will write here $1. The nearest dollar will be $1. Now here this is 1.45. Now for 1.45, as it is 0.4, so if it is 0.4, so we will just write the dollar as it is. There will be no change in the dollar. But if for example here will be $1.55, then it is 0.5, so we will add 1 in this one. So this is 1.45. As it is 0.4, so by 0.4 there will be no change in the dollar. We can read it $1.45. So that is why there will be no change. So it will round to the $1. And the next one is $2.80. 2.80, no, it is, if I write 2.80, so it is 0.8. So when it is 0.8, we will add 1 in the dollar, so it will become $3. So it will round to $3. Also, if you look at this line shown here, you can see 0.99 is near to 1 as compared to 0. So that's why we write it. In the same way, this 2.80 is near to 3 as compared to 2. So that is why it will round to $3. Next here we have this one is $2.19. Now it is $2.19, and I mentioned you that if it is 0.1, then there will be no change in the dollar. It will round down. So that is going to be $2. And this one will round to, as it is 0.0. So for 0.0 also it is near to $4. So it will be rounded to $4 or $4.00. So this is what we have today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will come with a new lesson. Goodbye.